Welcome to the webinar today to talk about Equipment Pro that assists with Service Titan as well as JB360. We've got Ken Metcalf with us today. He is the owner and president of CAM Technologies, and I'm going to let him do a quick introduction.
Good afternoon, everybody, and thank you for joining us today. My name is Ken Metcalf, again, president of CAM Technologies. We are a full Service Titan consulting group, and what we're going to demonstrate for you today is Equipment Pro, which is our setup of Service Titan for streamlining sales process, delivering some great proposals, and closing more deals. Please feel free, if you have any questions, to put them in the Q&A section. We're going to be happy to answer them as we go through. And if we find one that's we're going to cover later, I'll let you know that we'll get there. So, a little history and introduction. I have a background in technology. I'm a former COO of a software company. I left that world. I bought an air conditioning heating company here in Florida. I ran that for about 16 years and sold it, and then went to a franchise operation where I was head of operations. Been working with Service Titan now for about 10 years. What I'm going to say today is the amalgamation of about 4 iterations of setting up equipment sales in Service Titan. Finally got it right after 4 tries. And what we're going to be talking about is Equipment Pro. It's not a good, better, best sales system. We have those already. This is really an organization system to help you build good, better, best proposals and build them quickly and right at the table. Some of the benefits: it's simple for your techs and your salespeople. It's built into Service Titan, so it's not a third-party tool that talks to Service Titan and then integrates with it. It's actually embedded, so all your KPIs are intact, all your tracking is intact. Everything's done in Service Titan. We want to increase close rates and average tickets, and then make it simple for our customers as well. The way it works is we break all manufacturers down into 4 grades of systems, and it's based on the type of system it is. So with platinum, gold, silver, bronze. So our platinum systems, variable speed outside unit, variable speed indoor unit, your most advanced communicating controls. Gold system, multi-speed unit, outdoor, variable speed indoor, advanced control. Silver, single speed outdoor, variable speed indoor, and advanced control. And then bronze, single basic control. So what we're doing is we're making it very easy to select the equipment that fits the customer, because not every customer is the same. If I'm talking to a property manager, I'm bidding 3 bronze systems. I'm bidding a 14 SEER Goodman, a 14 SEER Carrier, and a 15 SEER Carrier. If I'm talking to a $1 million homeowner, I might be bidding 2 golds and 2 platinum, or 1 gold and 2 platinums. So my standard gold, and then my 18 SEER, and then 20 SEER platinum. So it allows you to flexibly put these together really, really quick and be very, very tailored to the homeowner. We work with all manufacturers, so we're totally manufacturer agnostic. We've done price books for everybody on this list and some that are not on this list. We help you build your base pairing system. So one of the things we learned along the way is that about 20% of your price book equals about 80% of your sales. So we want to focus on that 20% that gives the most production and make it really, really easy to change if you have something that goes on. So for instance, in our bronze area there, this is a Daikin setup. We have a DZ4, a 14 SEER base. If we wanted to change that to a 15 SEER, we'd simply remove that 14 SEER condenser, add the 15 SEER. The pricing will follow it, and we've updated that in a matter of seconds. And we help our customers develop this out if they don't already have it. We've developed a coding system for our pairings that makes it easy to find no matter what manufacturer it is. So it's kind of like a model number. We've got our first segment, that's our grade. Second, that's our type, straight cool furnace system, AC only, heat pump. We also have hybrid heat. Our tonnage, and then our brand. So bronze, straight cool, 1.5 ton Trane. If I wanted a platinum heat pump 3-ton Carrier, it would be P-HP-3-C. What happens is when techs start to use the system, they invariably learn the codes and they stop hunting and pecking through the graphic interface, and they start using the codes, which generates it even faster. We build the descriptions for you. So we have both installation descriptions, the what you do, and system descriptions, which is what you're going to install. And so this is all standard. So a bronze 3-ton heat pump is the same, whether it's Carrier, Trane, Goodman. It's going to be exactly like this, and also customized to your specifications if you have some things that you want to change in here. On our installation items, we actually develop the install. This is the what we're going to do based on what you actually do. And so this way, you tell us what you do on the install, we format it, and we make it easy to read for the customer. We also include custom installation items, which will allow you to take odd install items and make them priced very, very quickly. So as long as you know the hours and the material cost. We do your proposal templates for you. So we'll do the estimate templates as well as the proposal templates. We build those out. Now, the estimate templates only include the installation items and whatever items that you have that are common to each installation template. So you may have on your good, your install item, a 3-year warranty, on your better, an install item, a 3-year warranty, and a REMI, and on your best, a 5-year install item, a 5-year warranty, a REMI, and a filtration kit. We help you set those up so it's consistent and easy to use, and it's always on the template, so it's never forgotten. Then we also help you with your pricing. A little blurry here. Somebody give me a new template here, but we'll help you filter out and find the sweet spots of where each grade and segment are, so that you've got smooth pricing across your entire line. So what's included? So we do all the category setup, installation item setup, the pairing items, picture setup, pairing identifications, pairing setup, estimate and proposal template setup, initial pricing setup, and 30 days of training and support. We can use that as 4 meetings across the 4 weeks. We can use it for small updates, support in the field, everything to help you get up and running and be successful. All right, so I'm at the kitchen table. I'm doing an estimate for a homeowner. I'm going to go to my add estimates. You can see we have our estimate templates broken out by system type and installation orientation. So very quickly, I can find that I want to do a heat pump vertical. That's going to bring in my 3 templates, my good, my better, my best. On that template, I'm simply going to have my installation item, the description of what I'm going to do, and my standard JV 3-year warranty. So now all I have to do is pick my equipment, and I'm going to do a homeowner, so I'm just going to do straight up the line. I'm going to go to Equipment Pro. Now, each manufacturer has 2 segments. The first one is my pairings. These are my matchups. And then the second is my individual pieces of equipment, all broken out nice and neat. And then on my pairings, I'm going to do a silver heat pump. So heat pump, 2.5 to 3 ton silver. That's going to bring in my pairing item along with all of my individual elements, items of equipment that are priced to my specification. Now, we're not going to show that pricing to the customer. We're going to hide line item pricing. But this way, if we happen to change out this condenser, if they go down from the 15 SEER to a 14 SEER, the pricing will follow and will hold my standards. So I just did an estimate. I'm going to do my second one. Only this time, I'm going to use my code. So I'm going to go into my items. I'm going to go to gold, heat pump, 3-ton Trane. And then for my last one, I'm actually going to show you the admin side real quick. If I can find my job here. So there's my best. I'm going to update that from the admin side. Maybe I needed to ask for some help while I wanted to collect some more information. And so in the office, I can do a platinum heat pump 3-ton crane. Nice and easy to find. And now when I go back, I'm ready to present. Now, what's really nice is I can present, because of the detail here, directly from my summary screen, talking about the benefits of the best system, and then kind of working my way back down through the good. And then when I show it to the customer, again, all of the detail, all written in plain English, and very, very transparent. From an administrative side, from managing the price book, because of the codes and the segmentation we use, you can easily manage. So I want to manage my bronze systems. Do my space, train. I can bring those up all in one shot and use my multi-edit mode to adjust pricing, materials, or equipment, the links right here from the one screen. Any questions, thoughts, comments? We do sell Equipment Pro on a per manufacturer basis. It's a setup, it's a service that we provide. So the first manufacturer is $5,000. Every manufacturer thereafter is $3,500. If it's a smaller set, like a Run True or a Pain, we'll discount that accordingly because it's a lot less work.
We do have one question now.
Yep.
How do you handle price changes?
So for services, we handle price changes via dynamic pricing. And so for the install services, custom services, and the matchups, we'll handle that via dynamic pricing by updating the equipment or updating the material and the labor. For equipment, we actually update that at the line item basis in Excel, and we also offer that as a service. If you want to use us to maintain that, when you get a new price book, send that out to us. We'll update everything to your specifications, upload it for you, and typical fee is about $250.
And then we have another question. Do we need Pricebook Pro for this, or is this in place of?
No, this is not in place of Pricebook Pro. It's a complement to it. Pricebook Pro is really targeted more towards services. This is specifically targeted towards selling equipment.
One more question. We have, in our current world, we get price increases all the time. So we have to send it to you then?
No, you can do it yourself if you choose, as long as you know how to use Excel a bit and manipulate it. It's nothing that's proprietary. Now, if you're getting price changes that are like the 5% across the board changes, you can actually use the multi-edit function within ServiceTitan to execute those, and we're happy to train you how to do that as well if you're not aware of it.
Next one is, how do you handle accessories?
So it depends on how you want to do it. So typically we'll have another category within Equipment Pro, and they can either be included on the templates, like I was talking about. You can have a certain set of accessories on your good, your better, your best, or you can have the guys pick those out and add them to each template. Or you can have a fourth estimate that's just the accessories that's additive to the other estimates.
We do have one final question. How long does it take to set up?
If all of the information we need is provided to us, once we have that whole packet ready to go, you're looking at about 2 to 4 days. Typically, our long leg is waiting for the information.
And if they want to reach out or anything, is there somewhere they should specifically go to? Someone email you or?
Yeah, email me. And if you want to put my email in the chat, and I was going to send an email out with my contact information from the participant list. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I'd be happy to help out. Awesome. Thanks again for your time, everybody, and have a fantastic day. And I'd like to say, go sell something.